Hi everyone. Happy New Year. New Year, new us. Okay, so this is video that I want to make. It's a quick video, hopefully. It's from a comment that I got. The question was, how do you make sure that your signs stay put and doesn't get destroyed when it's windy? It's windy right now, so it's perfect. It's not that windy, but it's kind of windy. It's perfect for me to show you guys. I have two ways that I use to make sure that when I'm picking up the sign, it's not destroyed by the wind. So before we start, I just want to say thank you to everybody because I am now at 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I also haven't been posting any videos because we closed on our house last month and we have been updating it ourselves. So it was a really pretty busy month, and also we contracted COVID in the middle of that. So we were sick and it was just some crazy stuff. Anyways, let's start with the video. The first way that I use, sorry guys, it's my kids in the back. Keep it down. The first way that I use to make sure that our signs are not being destroyed, you just really need to do that on your upper part of your sign, the ones with the high stakes, because the one with the low stakes, they stay put on the ground and nothing's gonna really happen to them. And the ones in the low stakes is usually your names and your graphics. So whatever it's under happy birthday, it's usually the name of the person that you're doing the sign for. So the first way that I use is by using tape. You need to make sure that you are putting your signs, your letters, very close to each other. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, the letters are literally overlapping. You see how this one is kind of like tilting forward? It's because it was windy and the wind was blowing it back and forth. So in order for you to make sure that it stays, you have to put the tape. And the tape that I use is this. It's 3M paint tape, so they stick to the sign but they don't destroy it. This is the tape that you use to paint, so it's like the same purpose. It sticks but it doesn't destroy the surface that you put it on. So I go around the back of the sign after I put everything, and I put tape on them. I put tape between two letters, the ones that overlap, and I do it at every letter or any letter that needs it. So I want to show you guys first how the letters would react to the wind if they're like just single letter. So the first thing that I do is I just kick them. See, with the wind, this is what's gonna happen. So let me fix it. Overlap. Okay, it's standing up right now. So let's say we put the tape in the back of the letters. See? We put that together, and I put as many tape as I can, bottom and the top of the letters. Okay. So this is what it ends up looking like. So we have the BIR, and now when you push it, this whole thing is gonna be pushed together, and it holds up well this way, because as you can see, the three letters that we have that are taped together in BIR, let's say you tape everything else, so the wind is just gonna bring everything in unison, and it's harder for it to get off the ground. So like BIR is taped together. Let's show how they go with the wind. So like I said, you can put as many tape as you want. So when you put the tape, this one is doing that because the tape was removed. So you make sure you tape everything real nice, as many tape as you want. And again, this is for demonstration. What's the word? Demonstrate. Show. I'll just say show. Just to show you guys how it looks with the tape. But you can put, I go crazy with the tape just to make sure that the signs are gonna stay put. So the more tape, the better. And that's what I want to show you guys with the tape. And the second way that you can make sure that your sign is staying put is by putting everything on short stakes. I'm going to show you pictures of, I think I have a couple of signs. It depends on the size of your yard. If your yard is big enough, you can always put all of it, happy birthday with the name and the graphics. On short stakes, and that's easy to do. These are the stakes that I use. These are short. I put the sign, I'll show you guys. That's how I put it. The longer part, my hands are ashy or whatever, sorry. The longer side of the stake is what I put into the sign, and the shorter side is what I put into the ground. And it's easier to get into the ground, so when you put it into the ground, it's literally going to go all the way down, and the wind cannot really take that off the ground. So it's easy to do it like that. This is the second way that I use. So that's basically it, guys. First is tape, and second is phone died on me. No, the video just closed down. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So it was nothing else that I was gonna say except for these two ways. I have a third way, but the third way is the heavy duty H sticks, which I just ordered, and I'm waiting for them to come. And once they come, I'm going to show you guys how I use these sticks in order for them to stay on the ground, and there will be no problems with the wind. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your comments and your questions, and I do my best to answer all of your questions and make videos for them. Keep them coming, and I promise I'm going to make these videos for you. So hi. Alright, have a good one, everybody. See you guys in the next video.